literally making a cup of tea because Tilly started 5 minutes ago. Welcome back. Welcome to Ramsey in 10. More importantly, can I just say a very special thank you to all the NH staff again for another extraordinary week. All the effort and dedication is extraordinary. And also an extra special thank you to, well, he's a legend, and he's become a legend over the last 3 weeks, Captain Tom Moore. Days away from celebrating your 100th birthday, sir, you've raised over £23 million. The next time someone tells me about running half a marathon, an Ironman, an ultramarathon, if they turn around and say to me, I'm too old for that, I'm going to reference you. Nearly 100 years old, and you're up and down the garden 100 times to raise money. But there's something special going on, because it just goes to show how special this country is and the size of the heart when they donate, in the way that even the people I know, you know, that are tied with their finance are still donating. So this donation is going to you tonight to say a special thank you, and more importantly, God bless, sir. Now, should we check to see where my sous chef is? He said he'd be turning up on time, but I think he's been distracted. Please, where is he? He said he was going to help me out, but excuse me. Hey, hello. Oh, he's got the wooden spoon. Oh no, really? Peppa Pig. I'm not going to tell you about the pigs we ate from the back garden. No? Oh, okay. Now, what is... Oh, hello. What is that?
Chili.
Could have been a bit more colour on the old beef there, no?
Could you get back to your cooking?
Okay, now we have a new director of photography, that's right. In fact, she started filming at 12. We should put her braces on. We know her as Matilda. You know her as Tilly. Let's go, Tills. Now turn it around, say hello to yourself. Right. Okay, pan down. Tilly,
oh,
pan down.
Yes, I'm not Megan.
Okay, pan down, pan down. Right, mince. Okay, I've got minced beef, a little bit of cheddar cheese, some bacon there. Okay, a little bit of lettuce, tomato, and egg. Egg is optional, onion, lettuce, and the buns. Why, Tilly?
Get it off.
What are you?
I'm not saying it.
Why? So, I said 10 minutes, okay, and I've got a little secret. I froze those, okay? Little chilies, anything left over like that, freeze it, because you can grate that in to sort of make that sort of almost a little bit more delicious. This is literally just plain minced beef. Right, Tilly, are we ready?
Ready to start?
Yes, time goes now. Right, first off.
10 minutes, Dad.
Let's go. Gas on, okay? I'm using a grill pan, okay? But you can use a frying pan. So, a grill pan, get that on and get it nice and hot. Now, first off, season. Touch of salt, touch of pepper. Now, I'm putting an egg in there, okay? Stay with your Tills, pan over. I'd like the yolk, okay?
Don't use your hands.
Hold on, it's my burger. Yolk, okay, in. Now, from there, okay, I want to just literally get that chili, okay, and just grate that in there. Now, the secret behind this is just giving a little bit extra heat, okay? And when you grate it like this, it sort of disintegrates the chili. Pan up, it's me now, it's me. Pan up.
It's not all about you, it's about food.
And then look, pan down, look.
Oh my.
Beautiful little chili flakes in there, now come on. Now from there, okay, just a touch of seasoning. Now the best thing to do is get your hands in there, okay, and literally shape that, okay? Now, I said shape it, not drop it on the floor. Now here's the secret. We've got 10 minutes to make this burger, okay, and I've got sort of 75 seconds gone. If you've got more time than I have tonight, then make them a little bit thicker. If you haven't, then make them nice and thin. So take off a nice ball, okay? Almost like a sort of size of a tennis ball. And then literally start shaping those burgers like that. Now, look, get your hands around and just literally place that on. Pan down, Meg.
I'm Tilly.
Tilly, sorry, pan down. So I'm going to put literally about, I'd say, an inch in height, okay? And look what that egg does. That egg actually makes it a little bit richer, okay? Now from there, quick wash of the hands first. Time, please, Tills. Time, please, Tills.
2 minutes gone.
2 to 8 minutes to go. Okay, so cooking time is about 7 minutes, okay?
Cutting it fine.
Cut it very fine. Oil on, okay, grapeseed oil. I seasoned the burger, okay?
Only one?
Yeah, one, yes!
Well, there are, okay.
And then on, okay? Now, Look at that, okay? Push it down. We're only going to turn it once, okay? I've seasoned the meat inside, okay? So, from there, I want to season the meat again on top. Pan down to it, please. On top. There you go. Now, turn up the gas, okay? Now, I love onions in my burger, okay? But what I don't love is the raw onion. So, get your onion, slice, nice and thick, okay? Down, down. A touch of oil, touch of salt and pepper on there, and look, get those onions on the grill. Look at that, beautiful. Come on, seriously. Now, alongside that, what goes on with the burger? Pan up, minced chili.
Oh my.
Burger, onions, oh, some beautiful streaky bacon. This is a streaky bacon from that wonderful butcher on Rock High Road. Now, look, we're cooking all this together. I want the bacon fat going in to the burger. I want the flavour of the onions going into the burger and get that beautifully toasted. Now, whack up the gas, okay?
3.5 minutes gone.
Yes, 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 yes. Now, whilst we're cooking the burger, okay, literally, pan down please, pan down. Mayonnaise, okay, in. Mayonnaise in, little touch of pepper, little touch of salt, and from there, come on, where's that? It's sriracha.
Spicy sauce.
It's a little touch of heat, just as the mayonnaise, okay?
Not a little.
Mix that up. Now you could use mustard in there, grain mustard. You could put English mustard in there, you could put Dijon mustard. And look at that, a really nice spicy sriracha. So let's run through this. We've got
4
bacon.
minutes gone.
Okay, okay, chili, yes. Look at that flavour. Look at the colour. Look what's coming out of there, okay? But watch this. Watch. Oh my lord. Okay, here we go. Look at those onions.
That's burnt.
That is not burnt.
Burnt.
There's nothing
Oh,
worse.
that's also burnt.
No, stop that. Now, the buns. The buns. What are you?
You're in a good sandwich.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
The buns are brioche buns, okay? High content butter, so it's be a little bit more richer. So, I want to get them toasted so it takes that weight of the burger. Get the buns on and toast those buns. But look, we're all in the same pan here. Now, the good news is, we're not even halfway yet. We're going to make this. Push that down gently, not too hard, and flip that once and once only. Under, that's still cold there. And look, get the colour on the burger from there. Now, look at my buns. Look at that, beautiful. That's a caramelised bun, Tilly.
Nearly burnt, I'd say.
That is not burnt, stop it.
It's close to it.
Right, from there, beautiful. Now we can start to orchestrate this amazing burger. Now, pan down, please, pan down.
Pan down on what?
Tony, can you pass us some butter, please?
Yeah.
Please. Right, here we go. Now, if you like cheese on that burger, here's a little secret. Get the cheese, little square of cheese on there, okay? Put that on, okay? Bring that to the side, and just to get that cheese melting, okay, I take a little bit of butter, and I sort of create a little bit of sort of extra flavour with the butter underneath. And that's going to give it so much flavour. But look, get a pan and put the pan on and just stick that on top there like that. That'll help melt the cheese. Time left, please, Tilly, how long?
You have got...
Let's go.
I'm trying to find your timer.
What? It must be 5 minutes.
No, we've got 4 minutes left.
4 minutes. Seriously? Now, look at that bacon. I've got that bacon, okay, beautifully coloured. Take that down there, okay? But, do me a favour. Tilt the pan and get that bacon fat. Pan down, Tilly, pan down, Tilly.
Oh my.
Bacon fat inside. Pan up, Tilly. Look at those onions now. Come on, seriously. Honestly. They're the kind of onions you see on that burger van outside Buckingham Palace. Now, before they come off, a little bit of seasoning, okay? And just look. Now, you can't smell this, but the colour of those onions is incredible, I'm telling you. Come on. 3 minutes to go.
A little
From
bit
there,
burnt over there.
they're caramelised, young lady. How many times have told me the difference between caramelised and burnt?
Woo!
Honestly, should have gone to Specsavers. Right, pan down, pan down. Caramelised onions, they are delicious. Seriously delicious. Off and drain, okay? Off and drain. Now, pan up, Tills, please. Pan up.
I'm already up.
Are you up? Okay, good. Right, lift the lid off. Look. If you haven't got a pan, put a bowl on top of that. But look at the cheese. The cheese starts melting. Now that looks beautiful, right? Again, on there, gas up. Right, let's start the process. Pan down, please. 2 minutes to go. base on there, right?
Yep.
Okay.
We're running out of time.
Lettuce first, that protects the burger, okay? From there, a little slice. Time left, please.
You have 2 minutes left. I don't
Of tomato.
I don't know if
Wait!
you're going to make it, Dad.
Tomato on. Okay, watch me. Lettuce, tomato. Oh, sugar, I forgot the spice. Okay. Don't laugh.
You're wasting time.
Spice. After that, lettuce. Now build this baby beautifully, okay? A little bit of salt on top of that. Now from there, I'd like some onions on there, okay? Pan down, please, pan down.
I'm down.
Look at it already. Honestly, it's like a vegetarian delight. Come on, how beautiful is that? Plenty for the onions. The difference between grilled onions and raw onions, you'll eat way more grilled than you will raw. Beautiful. Little season. Twist of pepper. Okay? From there, burger's not quite ready. Time, how long? How long?
1 minute and a half left, Dad.
90 seconds left, okay. Now from there, just literally baste that, okay? And just gently push down, gently, not too much,
Whoa.
gently. The bacon, okay, we get extra crispy, back on. And then from there, I should have made it a little touch thinner. But look at the way that cheese is caramelized around that burger now, look, that is beautiful. Before you take that off, yes, from there, you go on with a little touch of salt on top of there. Take that bacon off, okay? Now, touch, still a little bit raw in there. Problem is now I can't turn that burger because I'm gonna wait for it to caramelize. Now you can do this in a frying pan, okay? But think of the way we assembled it, okay? And think about the sort of magic involved. But if I turn that around there like that, it's literally gonna burn.
Dad?
So, yes.
Ooh, Sandra says you can do it.
Sandra, thank you. Oh man, I've made the burger. Oh, shit. Fire!
Don't put that on it.
Okay, Oscar, look at Oscar's face. Look.
Oscar!
Oh no,
Dad.
time.
You're not going to make it.
Hold on.
20 seconds left.
Here we go. Oh. Oh no! Okay.
Oh,
Burger goes on. Wait. Now look. Come on. Now,
10,
hold on. That burger may be a
9.
bit rare. Wait. Touch
Oh.
and then the onions. Wait.
You're done.
Wait, hold
You're
on.
not. Oh, Dad, you didn't make it.
Hold.
Sorry, but look at that. Fail.
Oh my goodness me. The fire brigade were called. I mean, seriously. Okay. First of all. What?
Press the windscreen.
I may not have done it in 10 minutes. To be honest, the Ramses have already donated to an amazing cause. I can't wait to see your burger. Don't forget to hashtag me. And more importantly, if it's good enough, I'll share it. If it's bad enough, I'll still share it. Now, I'm not going to eat this. I'm going to give it to the neighbours next door. Hopefully, that might put a smile on their face.